IKEA offers two main credit cards for US shoppers, the IKEA Visa credit card and the IKEA Projekt credit card, each designed for people with different spending habits and financial goals. The IKEA Visa is a general-purpose credit card that rewards loyal IKEA customers with 5% back on all IKEA purchases, including installation and assembly services. Beyond that, cardholders get 3% back on dining, groceries, and utilities, and 1% back on everything else, making it more versatile for daily expenses. Plus, there's no annual fee, a $25 sign-up bonus for using the card on the first purchase, and reward bonuses for spending outside IKEA in the early months. Rewards stack up quickly for regular IKEA shoppers, and the added protection benefits like fraud and rental coverage are nice extras. However, the IKEA Visa card comes with some frustrating fine print. Rewards are only redeemable in IKEA stores or online and are sent in $15 certificates, which can expire. They're valid for up to 36 months, but some users report losing certificates sooner, so it's essential to stay on top of expiration dates. There's no intro APR, and the regular rate is high, which means carrying a balance will quickly wipe out any rewards earned. If you have big furnishing projects and can't pay everything off right away, this card really isn't the best choice. The IKEA Projekt credit card is different. It's only for use at IKEA USA, but it specializes in promotional 0% financing for larger purchases of $500 or more. Depending on how much you spend, you could get anywhere from 6 to 24 months interest-free, so it's helpful if you want to pay off a big kitchen or bedroom renovation over time. There's no annual fee, and approval is a bit easier, making it accessible to those with fair credit. But there are no rewards, and if you don't pay off the full balance before the promo expires, you'll get hit with the full 1.99% APR retroactively from the purchase date. Deferred interest can catch people off guard. One thing both cards share is some customer service complaints, especially around payment posting and promo expirations. Some shoppers have faced headaches with unexpected charges and complicated payment allocation, which can be stressful during a big project. Ultimately, the IKEA Visa card makes sense for frequent shoppers who pay off balances regularly and want rewards, while the Projekt card suits one-time, larger purchases if you're sure you can pay it off before the promo ends. Both cards automatically enroll you in the IKEA Family program for extra perks, but it's crucial to read the fine print and keep a close eye on how rewards and payments are managed. Otherwise, the risks like forgotten expirations, interest charges, and service struggles can outweigh the benefits. Consider if another rewards card or a buy now, pay later plan might work better, especially if your spending isn't focused just on IKEA.